Ciao and welcome back. My name is Isabella and today we're going to learn what to say when we meet somebody for the first time. So how to introduce yourself and many other useful words. The first one is piacere. That means nice to meet you. We usually introduce ourselves by saying piacere, followed by the name. In my case, so would be piacere Isabella. Remember, piacere can be used formally or informally. If you are in an informal environment, so with some friends, you can easily say ciao and followed by your name. So my case is ciao Isabella. If you don't know the basic greetings in Italian, I suggest you to watch my first video. That is going to be linked below. When you're meeting new people in Italy, you will most likely find yourself asking either lei come si chiama or tu come si chiami. And let's see the differences. Both of them, they mean what's your name, but the first version, lei come si chiama, is formal, used in business environment or with elder people. The second version, tu come ti chiami, can be used with younger people or in a friendly environment. So in a nutshell, we will say tu means you in an informal way, while lei means you in a formal way. So let's see together again. Your answer is going to be mi chiamo, my name is Isabella in my case. Please notice one important thing. In Italian, we don't have the letter K in the alphabet, so we use CH or double CH as a sound of a K. So please pay attention because it's not a light C like in English, but it's a very strong K. How are you? Come stai or come sta? Come stai is informal, come sta is formal. The answer will be bene, grazie, fine, thanks. I want to underline the word grazie because I often hear mispronounced. Is grazie, is not grazie. So bene, grazie, that means fine, thank you. You are welcome is prego. Grazie is thank you, and prego, you are welcome. Often will happen that somebody says così così, that means so. Come stai? Così così. Yeah, means so, I'm not really that fine. In that case, you can answer, I'm sorry, that is mi dispiace. Don't be confused with mi scusi, that means excuse me. And even for this video we've done, I hope you enjoyed. Please leave a comment below and let me know what kind of words you like to learn next time. My name is Isabella. Ciao, a presto!